Hmm? Oh. Okay. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Lesson 7. Numbers. Ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. Okay? How we say the Pali? First meaning? Patama. It's a longa. Sorry, a longa. Patama. Patama. Dutiya also can a long. Dutiya. It's okay, no problem. Patama is better. Because why? We are taking the stem sound. Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Chatutta, Panchama, Chattha, Sattama, Attama, Navama, Dasama. It's okay. Understand? Dasamo Puriso. Dasama Iti. Dasamo Puruso means 10th man. This means he's a 10. Example, now they have some kind of game. He's a first, he's a second. Huh? Okay, please recite. Okay, ekadasama. There's a Visati means the 20, yeah? Here, Visatima 20, yeah? Ting Satima 13, no? 13, 20, 13. So 20, 30, huh? Okay? They have mistake, understand, no? Next one, for Chatta di satima, Panna satima, Satima, Sattima, Sattatima, Asitim, Nautim, Satam. Okay, you can understand what is the meaning. Patamo, the Patama, Patamang, Patame, okay? Patama, it's better Patama also. Huh? Sometimes the feminine Patami also can, but Patama is the common. Understand? Masculine Patamo, feminine Patama, noiter Patamang. Okay? Sometimes the according the Vanitala Patama. The Kumari the Patami, but it's the common Patama, okay? This one. It's not so common. This means we can the Patama also we can decline according to the gender. Okay? Noita Patama, Patamani. Usually we not use the plural, but some. Sometimes if you use some, but not use the plural. Usually Patama is usually the one person, no? We cannot say the plural one, no? But if when something group, at that time we can say the first group like this thing. At that time we can use, but very rare, not everywhere. Okay, sometime, no? Practice. Okay. Bhagava Patamang Vassang Varanasiyang Isipatan Rame Vihari. Okay. Bhagava meaning the Lord Buddha, no? Patamang, first. Vassang, Vasa, first Vasa. Varanasiyan, in the Varanasi city. Isipatana Rame, in the monastery of Isipatana. Vihari, live, dwelled. Okay? The blessed one lived the first Vasa is first year, so can first year in the garden of Isipatan in Varanasi. Is better the first Vasa. Vasa, no? It's very easy to understand. Vasa. Okay? English is Vasa, no? No other word, I don't know. Okay, rainy. Okay, first rainy season. Okay. Can understand? Need write down. Okay? Can understand meaning word by word? Can understand? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, your mind here is enough. Okay. Next one. Check. Mayang, Duti. Yeah. Mayang. Mayang means we. Dutiyanang Vasana for the second raining, second Vasa. Tatiye Mase in the third Masa, third month. Nagarang to the city, Gamisama will go. Understand? Yes. Dutiyana Vasana. We will go to the city in the third month of the second year or second Vasa, for the second Vasa. Okay? Second year also, this is the easy to understand, because the third month of the second year, he want this way the year also is good. Usually according to the bhikkhu, no, we are counting the Vasa. When we spend the Vasa, the beginning of the middle of the year, no, according to the English years. Okay, but according to Pali, we start the Vasa. The year start the middle of the year. We start the year from the Vesak. Visakha. We start according to Buddhists. You know, this is a call, not that we take it's first one, the Vasang means we can say during the raining season. The second sentence, Vasana, we can take the year. Year is the more easy to take meaning. Year. This is two meaning. Vasa also can say the raining season, and year also can, two meaning. Okay. Next. Imesu navasu sissesu sattamo sadhukang ugganhati. Who is here? I already explained before. Imesu navasu sissesu. Sattamo. Imesu navasa sissesu means among the 9 disciples. 9 pupils. 7. Sadhukang ugganhati. Learning well. Learning well. Learns well. Among these 9 students, the 7 learns well. Who is here? Oh, very good, good, good. Imesu navasu upasaka upasikasu next. Imesang dasannang dhanavantanang panchamo sukhang jivati. Imesang dasannang dhanavantanang, among the 10 richest men. Panchamo, 5th one. Sukhang jivati, lives well. Sukhang, sukhan, comfortably. Yeah. Panchamo, 5th one. Okay. Next. Adjectival noun. It's very complicated, no? No, you see, the adjectival noun ending in vantu and mantu. There are two, vantu and mantu. Example, they are often used adjectives, but it becomes yeah. Now you can understand the meaning. For example, noun guna. Guna. The example now, the guna meaning quality. No, we cannot say this adjective. The guna is a quality, one kind of quality. Who has quality? Adjectival noun become nouns. Understand? The quality means guna. Usually quality is guna, adjective verb. sound. But we want to say somebody has the quality, that we can give the special name, special noun for him. This is adjectival nouns. Understand? Noun. Example, guna, who has the quality? We can gunavantu or gunamantu. It's better gunavantu. Gunavantu. Same way, bhoga. Bhoga, become bhagavantu, bhagamantu. Please mark unit. Guna. Guna is the adjective. Guna. Example is ahang purisassa gunang katemi. Ahang, I, katemi, talk. Gunang. Guna meaning quality of virtue. Virtue quality. Purisassa, of the man. Now I am talking good thing of the somebody's. That's the guna, it is adjective. Okay? Now we want to say the adjective, we are going to change to the noun. Adjective become noun. Who has quality? Become guna vantu or guna mantu. This is a stem sound. This is stem sound become gunavantu or gunamantu. But you can take your paper, adjective noun. You see? Become gunava. Gunava. Like who has property? Who is rich? Dhanava. Dhana meaning property, no? Dhana means property. Who has property? Meaning he is rich. Dhanava. Understand? Same way, there is a gunava. The singular gunava. Plural gunavanto or gunavanta. Same way, accusative gunavantang. Gunavante. Gunavata, gunavantena. Gunavantebi, gunavantehi. Gunavato, gunavantassa. Gunavatang, gunavantana. Gunavata, gunavantamha, gunavantasma. Gunavantebi, gunavantehi. Yeah, you here write down. Gunava, gunavata, gunavantamha, gunavantasma. Gunavantebi, gunavantehi. Gunavato, gunavantass. Gunavatang, gunavantana. Gunavati, gunavante, gunavantamhi, gunavantasmin, gunavantesu. Gunavang, gunava, gunava. Gunavanto, gunavanta. Okay, this is a masculine. Same way, the feminine, neuter, but little bit different, nah? But don't think too much, because if you see the gunava, we can say, this is a person. Because if you are going to by heart all thing one by one, it is a boring. Just enough to know try to understand what is this meaning of this word. after they become the masculine noun, how become? Feminine. No, it's same meaning. But we are going to apply different way according to gender. But they got the Pali, they different pronunciation, but same meaning. Okay? No need to think too much. Okay. Okay. Declension of adjectival noun. Okay, please, can recite. The ending vantu, gunavantu, according to masculine. Gunava. Okay, now Gunava Bhagavantang Vandati. Gunava. Gunava means this man, no? The virtue. The virtue man. Vandati. Vandati means bow down. Pay respect. Bhagavantang, to the blessed one. Buddha, to the Buddha, no? The virtuous one, pay homage to the blessed one. Okay. Next. Tatya gunavata gunavantena gunavantebi gunavantehi muni gunavantena saha giring gacchati. Muni, the monk. Gacchati, goes. Giring, mountain. Gunavatena saha, with the okay, no, very good. The monk goes to the mountain. Now, very good. Can understand. Oh, they're better than me. Okay. Next. Gunavato Panyava gunavantassa dhammang deseti. Panya means wisdom. Panyava. Who has wisdom? This wise man. Very good. No? Gunavantassa. To the which was one. Dhammang. Deseti. Very good. No. Very good. Okay. Next, Panchami. Recite. Dhanavanta. Usually, Dhanava. Dhanava means Dhana meaning wealth. Dhana means wealth. Wealthy one. Dhanava is a wealthy one. One of the rich man. But Dhanavanta is a plural. Many. Okay, plural. Huh? Gunavantamha from the just one. Pottake. Pottake means potta. Yeah, good books. Yeah, potta means books. Ganhanti. Take. Okay. Okay, recite Chatti. Gunavat. Dhanava gunavantasya arame charati. Walk. The charati meaning walk. Arame. In the gunavantasya belongs to the very simple, no? Simple Pali. Yes. Now already passed to 3 level. Maybe grade 3 now. Grade 3 now. Huh? Because no, I mean those are the English very familiar with us. This way very easy to put the Pali. No, the garden belongs to the virtue. Virtue. Yeah. Correct. Next. Usually arama means here garden, but it's better monastery. Monastery or temple, something that. Arama usually use the temple. Nowadays we use temple, monastery. So many arama in the India. Yogasama. Arama means the meditation place, resting place. Every time so many gods they have, so many people continuously doing the puja. This is they had many activities because of the aram. But during the Buddha's time, our Lord Buddha explained to us Pupparam, Palaram. This aram in garden, flower garden, Pupparam. Palaram, fruits garden. This way, but we can use different. The Jetavana Arama, no? It is not the fruits, not the flower. No, Jetavana Rama. This is a monastery. Jetavana monastery. That's why here also we can say, because the virtue, who has the quality, good. This means some of the bhikkhu or some ascetic monk are living there. This way, this is a monastery, like the monastery or resident place of the Gunavanta. Okay. Next. Sattami. Gunavati, Gunavante. Meaning, okay, hiyo, te, usually himava. Hima means snow. Hima is snow. Yeah, Himalaya, yeah. Usually hima we call snow. Himava, who has snow continuously? This is a mountain, Himava. This is Himalaya. Now there's a Himavantamhi. This is in the Himalaya. Hima means snow. Yeah. Himava means who has snow. This is a mountain, Himava. The Himavantam in the Himalaya mountain. Become Himava means Himalaya mountain. Himalaya. Okay? What does it mean? Hiyo. Hiyo means yesterday. Te meaning day. Himavantamhi in the Himalaya mountain. Imang Imang Pakki. How many? I think, okay, check the meaning first. Okay, Imang Pakking, the mistake they have, Pakking, Pakking, not the loan. I am dot. Pakking, please make right. Pakking. Because accusative. Imam Pakking, accusative. Yesterday they saw this bird in the Himalaya. Okay. Next. Why? Okay, alapana. Recite. Gunawang. Bho gunava ida nisidatu. Bhoginava. Dear, please sit here. Ida meaning here. Nisidatu. One word. Nisidatu. Yeah, nisidatu. Okay. All together. It's okay, no? We already recite, no? No need again, no? Masculine. Okay, this is similar. Following nouns, adjectival nouns. Okay, please recite. Because Happy New Year. Bandu mandu, how is it? BANDHU, DHU, this is the opposite. Okay, understand meaning? Okay. Adjectival noun ending in mantu should be declined similarly with vantu. This means same. The sometime the vantu, sometime mantu. But same way we have to decline. No any different. Chakkumantu. Chakkuma, chakkumanto. Who has eye? Possessor of eyes. Bhanumantu. Bhanumantu meaning sun. Satimantu. Buddhimantu. Chakkumantu. Bandhumantu. BANDH. Okay. This, okay. Adjectival nouns feminine. The vantu, mantu. Same way, not so different. Only the like Kumari, feminine ending E. The feminine nouns like Kumari. Gunavati, Gunavanti, Silavati, Silavanti, Dhanavati. Sri Lankan, those are the Sri Lankan the woman's name. Gunavati, Silavati, Dhanavati, Panyavati, Yasavati, Punyavati, Kulavati, Silavati, Saddhavati, Bhanumati, Sati, like this. All are the female's name. Sri Lanka we call female's name. But Dhanavati, but only the name, but don't have, they're very poor. Dhanavati means the rich man, no? Rich woman. Dhanavati, rich woman. But only name, don't have the, she's very poor. Sometimes Silavati, who has the good virtue, but she not follow any kind of the discipline rule. Gunavati, who has the virtue, but no any Gunavati, but only name, don't have thing. But just they follow because of the feminine, they just forgive the name, but meaningless. But our Lord Buddha give the name, all are the meaningful. But our name also meaningless or meaningful? I don't know. This is okay. This is the feminine, now. Same like before. Only you have to know what is the different noun and with the meaning. It is enough. Okay. Next, noiter. Same pala, gunavang, pala. Okay. Okay, few Chakkumanto sada bhanumantang passanti. Chakkumanto meaning who has eyes, process of eyes. Sada, always. Bhanumantang meaning sun. Passanti, see, like us, no? We are is a Chakkumanto, no? Chakkumanta. Because we have eye, no? Okay, good. Those who have eyes always see the sun. Okay. Next. Suve mayang silavante vandisama. Suve. Suve means tomorrow. Mayang, we. Vandisama, will pay homage. Silavante, virtual man, no? Virtual. Bhagavanto sabbanyuno bhavanti. Yeah, Bhagavanto means the blessed one. Sabbanyuno, omniscient, no? Omniscient. Bhavanti. The blessed ones are omniscient. Omniscient. Okay. Next. Kulavatang bhataro dhanavanto na bhavingsu. Kulavatang. Now you see your paper, take Kulavatang, which Bhakti? Yeah, but my means the which Vibhakti cases, Kulavatang. Check in your paper. There Gunavatang, Guna two place, no? The Kulavatang is usually this better Chatti, the belong. Kulavatang Bhataro, the brothers of highest caste. Dhanavanto na bhavinsu. Na bhavinsu meaning? No. Bhavinsu. Bhavati meaning? Are not. Yes, are not. Dhanavanto. Dhanavanta meaning? Rich. Because plural, the past tense, no? Bhavinsu, no? Were. Okay. Next. Ahang himavantamhi phalavante rukke passing. Ahang, I, himavantamhi, in the Himalaya. Phalavante rukke. Phalavante meaning fruits. Rukke, tree. Passing. I saw the fruitful trees on the Himalaya. Same way, dhanavantang putta sada panyavanto na bhavanti. Same, no? Dhanavantang putta, the sons of the rich person. Sada, always. Panyavanto, the wise man, na bhavanti. Na bhavanti means? Next, tava nattaro buddhimanto na bhavanti. Tava, yours. Nattaro, yours grandsons. Buddhimanto, the wise man. Na bhavanti, are not intelligent. Your grandsons are not intelligent. Okay, understand? Okay, today Pali story. What is today meaning? Kata sallapo. Kata sallapo meaning? Dialogue. Because why? Now you are talking always English or Chinese, no? I want to teach how to talk with the Pali. Okay. They have the first of all they have two person. One is a mitta, another one pasada. Okay. Later, one of the young men came to the mitta's home. Become three person. Okay. Now each other going to talk with the 3 person or 2 person maybe. Within the 2 or 3. Okay. Okay. I think this one can recite, no? Can read. Can please recite? Please read. Kanito T dot T dot Kanita the T dot Next. Uh, mm. Okay. The mitto is the myth. The myth, this is a swagatang pasada. Pasada meaning another friend, another man came to his house. Pasada, dear Pasada, swagatan, welcome. Swagatan, welcome. Katan sukha dukkhan, how are you, like this. How are you, like this, huh? Katang sukha dukkha, how are you? Are you well or not, like this? Are you happy or not, like this, huh? Katang sukha dukkha, how are you? Sukha meaning happy feeling, dukkha meaning bad feeling. Katang means how? How about your happy feeling and bad feeling? Sundarang. Sundarang means okay, nice. No dukkaram, not so bad. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, sir. I am fine. Na dukkaram, na means no. Don't have, not. Not dukkaram, not too bad. No, yeah, not it's okay, good. That's why. Sundar, it's nice. It's nice. I am not suffering. They say, still we can use. Still we can use. Because the Bhante Janaka always tell people, if I how are you? Oh, still can use. Because this body, still you can use. Still can use. Okay, understand, no? Okay, next. Bho pasad, dear pasad, kuhing tava sahayako. Tava meaning your. Sahayako means friend. Kuhing, where? Dear pasad, where is your friend? Very good, no? Pasada is the answer. So ajja gamang agamasi. So he, ajja is today, gaman to the village, agamasi. Agamasi already went. Gone. Like gone, no? Pasada, today he went to the village. Agamasi, went. Understand? Very simple, no? Very simple dialogue. Not so deep. Maybe next time I try to explain how to write the letter also. Letter. But nowadays, letter. Yeah, but no, the SMS, no? SMS, no? Okay. Have. Sure have. Okay. Pali? Yeah, have. Okay. King Twang Ekakova Agatosi. Twang, you, Agatosi, came here. Ekakova, alone. Why you came alone like this? Yeah, why? Which, what, who, many means, but according to place we have to add. Why have you come alone? But actually the K is better came, agatosi. It's okay, I think. Why have you come? It's okay, no? Oh, sorry. Okay. Next. Pasad. Nahi. No, like no. Eko mama sahayakopi. Eko one. Mama my sahayako api. One friend. And maya sadding agami. He came with me. So he idani now. Angane tittati. Stand in the compound. Okay, courtyard is no problem. Okay. Next one, no? So, okay, finish? Sorry? Ubhotang passitung anganang gachinsu. Ubho meaning both. Tam passitung, to him, no, to see him, anganang, to the courtyard, gachinsu, when? Oh, very easy. Okay. I didn't forget. Sisters forget. Bho. Both of them also can. Both of them went to the courtyard to see him. Went to the courtyard to see him. Next one. Ko namo asi. Okay? What is your name? Ko namo asi. Asi means is, we can say. Asis, we can say, was also can be past in. Agantuko, the guest man, ahang kosalos me, yeah. I am Kosala. I am Kosala. After the mitto say, Swagatang amhakang gehang. You are welcome to our house. Now you say, welcome during Chinese New Year? Yes, welcome. You have to call, no? Agantva asming pite nisidahi chirang dittosi twang. Agantva having gone. Asming pite in that chair. Nisidahi please may sit. Chirang dittosi twang. You after long time like this, have not see you after long time, but we have to add. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Why? Where? It's a mistake. Yeah, correct. Oh, sorry. Okay. Next. Pasad. Yes. Ahang gatamase. I gatamase in the last month. Maramma rattang to the Myanmar. Agamasing. I went. Pastor, yes, I went to the Myanmar in the last month. Okay? Okay, next one. Kimattaya. For what purpose? Oh, for what? What is the reason? For what reason? Like this, Kimattaya. Next one. Pasad. Mama Kanita Bhata. Mama is my Kanita Bhata, younger brother, Tasming Ratte, in the Tasming Ratte in the Myanmar. Tasming Ratte in the Myanmar country. Vanijo, the merchant. Okay. So idani bala gilano. So he idani now bala gilano. Seriously bahu bala gilano. Aturalaye. Atura in the hospital. Bhesajjattaya. For the medication. Gachi went. Okay. Okay? Next one. The meaning. My younger brother is a merchant in that he very sick now. He went to the hospital for medical purpose. Treatment, medical treatment or medication. Tatta twang katang gatosi. Another question. Tatta there. How did you go there? Like this. How did you go there? How you fly there? Like this. How did you fly? Tat is there. Twang means you. Katang, how? How? Gatosi, did go. Indeclinable. Huh? Yeah, katang is indeclinable, no? How? Okay, next. Ahang akasayanena agamin. Ahang I agamin went to akasayanena with the flight. I went by aeroplane like this. Understand, no? Akasayane. Very simple, no? Okay, another. Mitto say, Atti nuko tasmin ratte dasaniyani thanani. There is any beautiful? Are there beautiful places in that country? Like this. Okay. But Atti eva chatta sangayana bhumi atti Ramaniya dasaniya cha bhavanti. Atti eva means Atti meaning? Yes, of course, yes. Chatta Sangayana Bhumi is there, is a regime. Yeah, sixth council, Chatta Sangayana. It is delightful and beautiful. Ramaniya and Dasaniya. Okay. Next. Kati divasani twang tatta vassosi. Kati divasani. Kati, how many? Divasan, dead. Tasmin ratti, in that country. Vassosi, Vaso Asi. Lift. How many days did you spend there like this? Huh? Sorry? Kati. No, Divasan is a day. Kati means how many? Kati Divasan, how many days? Okay? How many days did you spend there? Understand, no? Next one, Pasad, no diga khada, not so long. Satta divasa matang, only 7 days. Tasming vichari. Not long, I went only 7 days. Okay? Vichari. I walk. I walk. Okay? Finish. Understand, no? Try to digest. Swagatang. Okay, understand, no? Okay, good. Sadhu.